In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best hrblock coupon promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for hrblock coupon promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have at least three different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this $15 off with HR block promo, all you have to do is select show coupon code from right here, and you can copy this promo code and you can use this one in order to get this $15 discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and right here we also have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with a special discount, all you need to do is select show copy code from right here, and you can copy this promo code and you can use this one in order to get a special discount on the website. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.